In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant reservoir as well as your windshield washer reservoir on your Chevy Colorado. They're connected and they're located on the passenger side under the hood. We're going to remove our fluid from both reservoirs. I'll take my coolant cap off first. Use a siphon or a fluid extraction pump to remove your coolant, and do the same for your windshield washer fluid. I have a drain bucket above to put it in. You're going to need 2 different buckets. I finished with the coolant as much as I could, and I've rinsed this out. Make sure you have a different bucket to catch the fluid for your washer fluid. Next, we're going to take out these 2 bolts. I'm going to do this one first, using a 10mm socket and a swivel. You don't really need a swivel for this one, but you do for the other one. Down here, there's a 13mm head bolt. I'm using my swivel and an extension. Now we're going to remove this, and we're just going to set it aside so we can remove some hoses. Remove this plug. Set it aside. We're also going to remove this. Make sure you have it tilted so it doesn't leak out everywhere in case you have any extra fluid in there. Just going to twist it free. I would put that up there so you don't forget to put that back on. Now we're going to take off this hose at the bottom. Again, make sure your reservoirs are tilted so you don't lose any fluids. You're going to pry off the hose. I'm going to remove this tape around this accordion cover so we can remove this. And then I'm going to pull this through. Put that aside and take out the reservoir. Remember not to tip it. Remove your hose and pull it through. Feed the hose up and attach it to the coolant reservoir. And now we can install. Put on your windshield washer reservoir hose onto the pump. Put this back on. A little extra protection. That'll prevent it from wearing through, and attach it here. There's no hose clamp, it just goes on like that. We're going to lower this down and get our connector onto our washer pump. Make sure you hear that click. And now we're going to line our bolt holes up with the reservoir. One there, and there's one down here. Let's put our bolts in. I put a little anti-seize on my bolt for this one because it looked pretty rusty. Let's snug them up. Let's tighten these ones up. And now let's push this hose through. Now we're going to take our covers off and we're going to replace our fluids and then put the caps back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.